Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a background in Google Forms. Google Forms offers basic customization options to enhance the look and feel of your forms. While you can't directly add a background image to the entire form, you can now customize the header, theme color, and font style to match your brand or personal style. And here's how to change the background and make your Google form visually appealing. The first step is to open Google Forms and access the theme settings. And to do that, just go to forms.google.com and make sure you log in using your Google account's credentials. When you log in, the second step is to choose the form you want to customize the theme on from here. After that, click on the palace icon in the top right corner to open the theme customization here. That says customize theme. The second step is to add a header's image, or it's an alternative to a background image. And to do that, just click on choose header image, and you can choose from here, from the themes, for example this one, and select images from Google Gallery or upload your custom image. The recommended size is 1600 to 400 pixels. Like you see here, I added this picture right here. The third step is to change the background color. Now below the headers option, you'll find the theme color and background color settings. As you can see here, you can change them. Choose a preset color or select a custom hex code to match your brand. Example here, this one right here. You can add custom, like the hex code. You can copy the hex code right here. As for the fourth step is to customize the font style. Now under font styles, choose from 4 available. You have the basic, which is default and clean, decorative, which is stylish and creative, formal, which has a professional look, playful, which is more casual and fun. And for the fifth step, you can use third-party add-ons for more customization. Since Google Forms doesn't support full background images, you can use third-party tools like Forma Facade or Pumpkins to add advanced customization and install the extensions by following the setup instructions and customize your form background fully. And that's it for today's tutorial. While Google Forms does not allow full background images, you can still enhance its design by customizing the header colors and fonts. If you needed, more advanced customization tools like Form Facade can help you achieve a professional look, branded look. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.